In this video, I will show how to create Windows 11 installation USB drive, and Microsoft made very easy for us to do so. And I will begin this video from Windows 11 download page. I will leave the URL in the description down below. Let's go to this part, create Windows 11 installation media, and click download now. And now let's go to our downloads folder. And as you can see, we have the media creation tool here. Let's run it as administrator. Let's agree to license terms. And this is kind of important stage. I would recommend that you remove this check mark. Use the recommended options for this PC, because sometimes it can have some configurations that you don't need. In some cases, it can encrypt your C drive with BitLocker and have some other configurations that you don't want. So if you want clean Windows 11 installation, I recommend that you remove this. Then you can select the language. English United States is good for me. And there is only one option, Windows 11 here. And I will click next. Here we want to select USB flash drive and click next. And as you can see here, we need to select the USB drive, and I have currently 2 drives connected. And I will use my O drive for this video. And click next. And currently it will download the Windows 11 installation image and create the USB for us. So let's wait for that. As you can see here, it's done creating the USB drive for us. So now I will test it in VMware Workstation. First I will click Finish and go to my VMware Workstation. Here I will connect the USB by right-clicking on the virtual machine, going to removable devices, selecting the USB disk and clicking Connect. Now I need to reset the system, spam delete key, and boot from the USB. And as you can see, it's booting from the USB drive, and the Windows installation is loading. It has loaded the USB drive. Let's just click next for now and install now. Everything seems to work just fine. I will select I don't have product key. And as you can see here, this installation media from Media Creation tool has a lot of Windows editions like Windows 11 Home, Education, and Pro. And it also would convert to Enterprise if you have the license key for it. So that's it for this video. In the next one, I will show you how to automate the first part of Windows installation using a USB drive and AutoNet file. So if you want to see that, like and subscribe. See you in the next one.